In today's Tech Bites, Facebook insists it's not anti-conservative.
This whole social media site is responding to accusations that its trending topics favor liberals. The company has now published its standards for the popular feature.
Founder Mark Zuckerberg says Facebook is committed to being a platform for people of all viewpoints.
Also on Facebook, a new way to view panorama pictures.
A new feature will turn the super wide pictures into 360-degree photos. Users will be able to pan around the photos, or you can view the photos in the Oculus Rift virtual reality headset.
And GoPro has some new competition. LG will soon release its new rugged video camera.
The waterproof device is being billed as the first action camera with built-in LTE, so users can get access to the internet without connecting to their smartphones.
And those are your Tech Bites.
Have a great day.